Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish maw crab meat soup using an easy method. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want to rehydrate about 50 grams of dried fish maw, which takes a few hours. Next, shred 200 grams of fresh crab meat. Finally, prepare 1 liter of chicken broth and a cornstarch slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, let's start cooking our delicious soup base. Begin by bringing your 1 liter of chicken broth to a gentle boil in a medium-sized pot. Once it's simmering, carefully add the rehydrated fish maw. Let it cook for a few minutes to absorb the flavors. Then, season the broth with 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of white pepper to taste. It's time to add the star ingredients and thicken our soup. Gently stir in the shredded crab meat and let it cook for about 2 minutes, allowing its flavor to infuse the broth. Next, slowly pour in the cornstarch slurry while continuously stirring the soup. Keep cooking and stirring until the soup reaches your preferred thick and luscious consistency. For the perfect finish, whisk 1 egg and slowly drizzle it into the hot soup while stirring gently. This creates beautiful, delicate egg ribbons. Finally, ladle your warm fish maw crab meat soup into bowls. Garnish each serving with some fresh chopped green onions and a dash of fragrant sesame oil for an extra layer of flavor. Enjoy your homemade, comforting soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.